What's up everybody? Welcome back to Morning, Evening, Good Night, whatever time it is you guys are watching this. So we got a quick vlog. We are installing our FCS expansion tank. And yeah, just a quick little vlog. Hope you guys are having a great weekend. It is Easter weekend, so enjoy time with your family. Let's get it. Let's start with the options. So K20/PRB cylinder heads, they have no passageway on the side of the cylinder head. So if it doesn't look like mine, if it's flush and you only have a water passageway right here, that would be the one you order. But if you have a RBC or K24 cylinder head with the passageway right here, you will order the option that's K24/RBC. That's my current one. And we have the option of rear feed. So the different feeds is, this is how it'll be sitting. So front feed, side feed, rear feed. This is a -16. Let's take the tape off, clean it up, and add Honda Bond. So the usual cleanup, gray scuff pad with brake cleaner, and then follow up with a blue shop rag with brake cleaner. Some of it's stained, but that is clean enough. Honda Bond on. So you can use whatever hardware you want. We have leftover pressure plate bolts. I just like the way the hardware looks, so I'll be using this. So let's get this installed. And our expansion tank is on. I won't lie to you, I did have to drill the holes out to 3/8 because one of the holes went lined up, and then when I drilled one, the other one's still lined up, but that one barely did. So I just expanded all 4 holes to a size 3/8. So if I were you, I would do a dry mock-up without Honda Bond. Make sure it bolts up, see if you need to modify anything. But other than that, really simple install. This is a beautiful piece and it looks really good. A quick demonstration. Here's leftover -16 AN hose that I have laying around. So I'll probably get a 45 off of this, angle it between the chassis and the lower subframe, and then right here off the track tough plate, I'll have this 90 facing up, then a 90 coming off of it, and feeding a hose between the mount and the chassis. That's gonna look sick. So this will conclude this video, everybody. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Maybe you even learned something. I didn't want to lie to you and make it seem like it just bolted up. I just want to make it simple. And yeah, I believe even on the website it says that you might have to modify it to make it fit your vehicle. I'm not even mad. Plus, if you don't trust yourself, get someone you do trust, or get a local shop to help you out. Someone you trust, of course. But stay blessed, stay slam, let's keep gunning, and I'll catch you guys next time.